So yes, so February 21st, bull session at Telascus. Get the recording button hit. The disclaimer, Random Walk is not a broker-dealer nor investment advisor. This presentation is for educational purposes only. We don't know your situation and what level of risk is right for you, as we're not making any specific trade recommendations. The risk of loss in trading options can be substantial, so please be careful before placing any trades in your brokerage platform. Actual P&L can vary and be affected by liquidity, commissions, and slippage in the relentless move to the upside. And with that, let's go ahead and jump in the markets, and pretty much the same old that we've had here for eons. Whatever the Russell had in December, the SPX has caught its cold with the straight up moves here. SPX was up 14 points today. Came up, looks like it was going to kind of come back, but by lunchtime it kind of slowly drifted to the upside. I just think my unofficial take is that we're still the best kid on the block and there's nowhere else money to go, so it's just funneling into the U.S. markets, equities. Russell's up 10 points, 10.48. NDX up 26. A lot of biotechs and technology companies, coming out with earnings stuff that help propelling things to the upside. Also, some of the pharmaceutical companies are coming out with potential drugs that could come out. The autoimmune, not autoimmune, but immunotherapy, I should say, is a new class of drugs that are coming out, and it's getting a lot of attention in the press. And as you know, from December, biotechs got beat up pretty bad, and so it's if you're some people are playing that as maybe a potential bounce with the biotechs, and playing that to the upside. The trend definitely bullish side at 0.7. Advance or decline ratio 3.67 to 1 on the New York Stock Exchange, and almost 2 to 1 on the Nasdaq. Tick pretty much flat. It's toward the end of the close. There's, I think, about $1 billion with orders to the upside. So that's why we kind of seen a little uptick toward the end of the market session. So wish I had better news that the VIX and eventually come back down. I think it crept up a little today, up a whole 8 cents, so 11.57 on the VIX. Not a whole lot to write home about. IB rank, SPX is 13 versus 4 on the index and 12 on the Russell. So those will come into play a little bit later. So let's get the trade of the day out of the way, and then we'll get into the positions that we did. Potential trade of the day is Weibo. It's a Chinese internet company. Doing fairly good earnings coming up, so this is kind of an earnings type of play. You got a range of 54.8 downside to 58.67. IB rank of 43% according to the daily, so pretty bullish. It's been a little bit extended, and volume has been picking up, so that's a good sign. If you were going to be playing earnings play and doing a bullish type position, I looked at a couple different butterflies, and looking at a plain Jane call broken wing butterfly on the upside, and then finance it with a broken wing butterfly on the put side for a 10-cent credit. So you can put this trade on for a 35-cent credit on 5 contracts. So about 7 cents. You could collect 10, pay 3, 7 cents per contract. And if it moves up to the upside, inside the butterfly, you get a little profit zone, and if it moves down on the downside, got a little bit of profit there waiting for you on the downside. So from a chart perspective, like I said, it's a fairly bullish, but it could be it's a little bit extended, but you would think with the SPX doing a lot worse to the upside, it'd be nice to see some kind of pullback in the markets, but can't control that at this point. So if you're bullish, that would be a potential trade of the day.